guys, so today I got another new old stock item that I waste some money on too. So here it goes. So that's a sealed new old stock floppy disk. I mean, you know, floppy diskettes that I bought it for, $15 or 15 euros. So it's new old stock, never opened. So basically it says 3.5 double-sided high-density micro floppy disk. Well, let's see. So let's open up this box, which is sealed, of course. So I'm going to unseal for you guys. So, of course. Oh, I did ruin a little bit, but yeah. So here it goes. The seal is gone. Let's open up the box. Well, I cannot open this box. Ooh. I saw some metal. Well, let's pull one of the diskettes. Oh God. Oh, there it goes. It's a bit dirty. So here it goes. That's a floppy diskette. So we're gonna to insert this floppy diskette into my retro gaming machine, but let's insert this one. So here's the floppy disk and here is the floppy diskette. Bring you closer. So now let's insert this thing. Alright, so we're gonna to read this warning.
朋友是一个坚韧不拔
And it's censored, which is good because yeah, for God's sakes. Alright, so here's my desktop, which yeah, it's filled. So here is the floppy diskette. Ooh, it's empty. I love it. Let's copy some contents. 601 kilobytes. Let's insert this one. Oh, it's taking a little bit. No! Oh, shoot. Error, copying file or folder. Well, that's so bad. Let's try again. Well, we can always do a full format. No! Well, let's try a full format. Let's get started. Alright, so I pull out everything from this box and I got every floppy diskette thing. So I'm going to put these diskettes back in the box and let's take a look at this thing. What is this? Oh, that's something that I didn't see. You can pause the video if you want to read all of this nonsense. This is for the stickers, if you want to stick some important things, like, you know. Let's get back on the computer itself. Alright, so like I said, it's completed, the format process. So let's access and copy this photo. Oh, here it goes. Oh, there it goes. So I did copy it successfully. But what happens if I put another diskette like this, crappy one? Let's swap. This floppy diskette that I showed you, it's containing ACI drivers for this computer. And here it goes. So now I'm going to insert this one back. So here it goes. Yeah, it has this problem. It doesn't go all the way back in its position, this cover. So I don't know if it's a common thing with these verbatim floppy diskettes. So let's insert this back in the computer and let's do a refresh. Yeah, let's access. here it goes. So here's the partial thumbnail for that video that you should check up at the corner right there. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna to format this oh, what was that with this refreshing? Anyways, so let's format whatever. Yes, it will erase, yes, I'm sure, Windows. And you know, let's try all of them if they have, you know, same problems, because you know. Alright, so that was the last floppy diskette that I formatted. Yeah, and here it goes. This is all floppy diskette that I formatted. So let's put this back. Yeah, and of course this sticker, or stickers I should say, but and here it goes. Here is the box itself. This box of floppy diskettes will be thrown in the garbage because you know it's e-waste. So what I'm going to do with this box? Well, I will keep as a collection of things that I shouldn't bought in the first place. Yeah. For example, this box of 5 tapes, mini DV tapes, sorry. And of course, I'm going to put the box for the floppy diskettes right there. Yeah, of course, that's the best place that I ever found in this office. Yeah, I love it. So that's really about this boring video as usual. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time with junk hardwares that nobody uses.